How do I check if my Honeywell thermostat is properly connected to my HVAC system?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss an important home maintenance task: how to check if your Honeywell thermostat is properly connected to your HVAC system. This is important for ensuring that your home stays comfortable year-round. Don't worry if you're not technically inclined. We'll guide you through this process step by step.
Understanding your thermostat and HVAC system.
Before we start, it's important to understand that a thermostat is a device that controls your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system. The thermostat sends signals to your HVAC system to start or stop heating or cooling based on the temperature settings you have chosen. If your thermostat is not correctly connected to your HVAC system, it won't be able to control it properly.
Checking the thermostat settings.
The first step is to check the thermostat settings. Make sure your Honeywell thermostat is set to either heat or cool mode and the fan setting is on auto. Then, set the temperature a few degrees below for cooling or above for heating, the current room temperature. If your HVAC system kicks in, this is a good sign that the thermostat is correctly connected.
Checking the wiring.
If the HVAC system does not start, the next step is to check the thermostat's wiring. Turn off the power to your HVAC system for safety before you proceed. Once the power is off, remove the thermostat's faceplate to expose the wiring. You should see several wires, typically color-coded. Here's what each color generally signifies: red wire, power supply; white wire, heat function; green wire, fan function; yellow wire, air conditioning function. Make sure each wire is securely attached to the corresponding terminal. If any wires are loose, secure them and then restore power to check the system.
Contacting a professional.
If you've followed the above steps and your HVAC system still isn't responding to your thermostat, it's time to contact a professional HVAC technician. There may be more complex issues at play, like problems with your HVAC equipment itself, which are best left to professionals to diagnose and repair. Checking the connection between your Honeywell thermostat and your HVAC system doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you can diagnose and potentially fix minor issues on your own. Remember, when in doubt, always reach out to a professional. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.